What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Alessia, on Instagram known as Alediandra. Before we get into this video, I just want to remind you to like, follow, and subscribe. You know, your girl's not asking for that much. Guys, I've been MIA for like a month on my YouTube channel because I have so much going on between my podcast and the new YouTube channel I just started with my friend called Rather Be Naked. So check those both out. Any OG watchers, you guys know that I love a JLo moment. I love anything that sparkles. And I wanted to do a dupe look for Hailey Biebers' after party look at the Met Gala. So she killed the Met Gala, duh. And then she really killed it at the after party. And she did like these leather shorts with like a crystal top and a blazer. Very Hailey Bieber to throw a blazer on top. I'll pop a picture down below. And I was just like, I want to recreate this look for a fraction of the price. Hailey Bieber is like an icon when it comes to dressing. So I'm so excited to make this dupe. I have not even tried it on yet, so I hope it looks bomb. And shall we get started? Okay guys, so I'm showing you the first way I'm doing the Hailey Bieber dupe look. So the shiny crystal top is from Shein, which I am obsessed with. I wore it for Halloween and now I just found a new way to repurpose it. I didn't have the leather shorts I needed for this look, so I put just a mini leather skirt, but I'll show you another look with shorts. And then I threw on an oversized blazer. I didn't have red shoes, so I did black, but she did glasses like this. This is more or less the look, guys. I actually think the shorts will make it look more like the look. I just really didn't have the proper shorts and I ripped my other one, so I'm so mad. This skirt is from Aritzia. It's a good quality skirt. It's about $170. And then I got this blazer from Zara and I think I paid it like $80. So talk about a look for less. I'm wearing it with a pair of Store Weitzman open toe black heels. And then I paired it up with a very similar pair. I think hers might be Saint Laurent, but these are vintage frames for about $100. So what do we think? Are we loving it? Are we hating it? Obviously, like, I have bigger boobs, so wearing this is a lot more tricky. But if you have smaller boobs, you're gonna achieve the look even easier. I had to put nipple covers. And I still feel like it's tough with my boobs, but the oversized blazer really makes it more boyish and easier to kind of feel comfortable the whole night. So I just feel like I needed to make the skirt very, very low so that it was giving the same vibes as her. But if these were shorts, I think the look would be so accurate. And if I did red heels, but I actually think I prefer to do just a simple black heel. I'll find leather shorts online and link it down below for you guys. So here is a fraction of the cost of a Hailey Bieber Met Gala after party dupe. But you can really see that if I had the proper shorts, the look would be even more complete. So these are actually from Shein as well. And I tuck them in, they're a bit longer, but I feel like this is also a vibe, like a more boyish look and still gives that look. So yeah, let me show you how long they are normally. So normally they're this long, these shorts, but if you get them fixed to short, it's also a vibe. If you guys got to the end of this video, well, I adopted you. You guys are my children because I love you that much more. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Alediandra. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, all that fun stuff. I will be trying to post videos every week. And if there is another celebrity dupe you want me to recreate, holla at your girl right in the comments and I will do my best to do it. So, I love you.